I'm going to be introducing you to a site called Canva. This is a site where you can design brochures, infographics. It's a way to digitally organize information, and I think you guys are going to enjoy it. So when you go to canva.com, this is what the homepage looks like. You are going to see a search bar. Depending upon what you would like to design, you can type that in the search bar. For the purpose of our project, we're going to be designing infographics, so that is what I'm going to type into the search bar. Once I search that up, up pops different templates of infographics. So you can decide to use one of those templates, or you can create from a blank slate. I prefer to use one of the templates and edit it to match the information that I'm presenting, just because it gives good ideas on how to organize the information, right? Sometimes it's difficult when you have a lot of information to figure out an easy way for a viewer or someone looking at it to read, and they give some great suggestions with the templates. All right, so you can choose a template, anyone that you would like, and you can edit the whole thing to input your information. Okay, so by simply clicking on the box, you can delete whole text boxes. You can delete the text and add your own heading. So I'm going to be doing an infographic about the Highlands region of New Jersey. So I want to have that as my heading. If you want to change the font, you just go up here, choose the font that you like. Stay away from the fonts that have a crown. Those you will not be able to use because we only have the free version. You can change the text color up here. I like the text color it's selected, and then you're just going to type your information. Highlands region. Okay. You can then drag it and position it where you want on the infographic. You can center it by clicking the alignment button up here. The next thing I want to show you is how to insert a picture. So on the left-hand template, or on the left-hand side, the bar, you can click Photos, and you can search for any photo that you want. So I'm looking for a photo of a mountain, and this one looks pretty good. You want to make sure it says free in the corner. Anyone's with the crown you won't be able to use. And once you select the picture, it's going to pop up on your document. You can then drag it where you want and use the dots and arrows to resize. That looks good. I want to change this, so I don't want this photo, so I selected it and I just clicked delete on my keyboard. And I'm going to show you guys how to insert a text box as well. So I'm going to delete all of this, and we're going to pretend that this is a blank slate. Right, so to insert text, you're going to click the text over here, decide whether you are inserting a heading, a subheading, or a small body of text. In this case, I am submitting a subheading. You'll see that it pops up in the center. I'm going to drag it to where I want, and I'm going to type landforms and features, because that's going to be this section. Okay, once you have your text there, you can highlight it. You can, again, change the font. You can change the size. And then you can position it where you want. All right, if you don't want this here, you can select this and delete here as well. Elements is another feature that you can use. These are just like different drawings that you can insert into your infographic if you would like. So maybe I want to put a square, I don't know. maybe I want to put my information in that square. I can drag it over here. I can change the color of it. Maybe I want it to be white. And then I can type text into there by selecting again the text box and adding a small body of text. Okay. If you wanted to change the background colors are over here. If you like the one that you have, you can keep it. Again, these are all like personal choices that you guys will kind of figure out as you're designing. Okay, so those are the main things that you need to know. As you're playing around with it, I'm sure you'll discover different things. Once you are finished with your design, you can click share. And then you would at this point be signed in with Google, and then you can just share it with my email address.